POET stock analysis and POET stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm not telling you this just to tell you. I've actually done it. You can check out all my YouTube channel and all that good jazz. But ultimately, man, this is not even the thing that I'm immediately going to be buying nor selling. Like, I'm just going to get rid of this previous stuff. Okay, boom, just like that. Boom, there's the top. Oh, my bad. Here's the top. And ultimately, if I'm also seeing this, which is sick. So how's that going to look like is, if it does not pull down, gives me any sort of double break, I'm not going to be buying. Like, the reality of the matter is that it's just pumping, and unless there's corrections, I don't care. Like, they're crucial. We're basically like 30% there to getting into a trade. And obviously in trading, there's two games. There's getting inside a trade game, there's managing the trade game. And the balance between those two is whether you're going to be comfortable making money or not. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and we'll see you in the next one.